Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Q Rowland. I am your business growth coach and your money mentor. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for all the updates on business and money tips.
Make the money. Don't let it make you.
So the SBA has announced a Goodwill Exception Period. What is this and what does it mean for you? Well, the period basically is a 6-month period of them doing outreach to offer you all the options of repayment. They want to make sure that all of their small business owners who are either in delinquency or have defaulted on their loans know all about the options available. So basically, instead of you just walking away, let us help you get to the end of this loan. In this 6 month, they are going to not do escalation of current collections, meaning they're going to give you time to get back on track. The hope is with the SBA was that you will see the overall big picture in terms of your credit. You may need to buy a house or a car in the near future or sometime in the future. And this way, your credit won't be damaged by this loan. They don't want you to be excluded in the event that there's another disaster that you may need further funding that you don't qualify for because you defaulted on this current EIDL loan. So the SBA is offering EIDL and PPP borrowers options for repayment. They are even letting PPP borrowers do loan forgiveness. Remember, that ended long ago, but they are opening that back up for those small business owners that either just didn't do it, missed the deadline, didn't know what to do, so forth and so on. A lot of you have asked me, how do you find your information on your loan? You have to create an account with SBA, and then once you get in there, you'll be able to see all of your loan information. You will also be able to apply for hardship. The SBA is doing repayment loans as low as $25, and then they're offering you options where the loan can gradually increase over years, month by month, so that you aren't finding yourself in a financial crisis. They're trying to make sure that you have options available to you. I think this came about for a couple of reasons. One, so many businesses have truly defaulted on these loans, right? And they want some way to get their money back. As a small business, there's not much collection that they can do with a business in terms of getting money. They can't garnish your business. That's not something they can do. They're looking for ways to help you want to pay them back. The other thing is that they also know that a lot of people financially just did not end up where they were before the COVID pandemic. Not only that, right now with the way that the world is and the race of everything, and we're basically in a recession, they also realize that people just don't have it. As much as we would like to say that we have all the money, this money helped a few people for a little while, but not long term. And some people didn't even make it back out of everything after the money was received. So they noticed this. But right now, there still is no forgiveness. So they are still requiring payment on these loans. So don't get too happy just yet. My true hope is that in the near future, at some point, once they realize if they just can't collect, that they just go ahead and forgive these loans. Because really, it's not really fair, in my opinion, to continuously push this narrative of pay us back when a lot of the businesses that receive the funding may not even be around anymore, or they just aren't where they used to be. And so when we apply for these loans, a lot of us, we thought we were going to make the same money or more possibly. And sometimes in some cases that just did not happen. A lot of businesses just did not recuperate and unfortunately just don't have the funds, or they are non-existent anymore. So this Goodwill Faith Period is a great effort for them to try to collect on some of these loans. Because remember, there's that dispute with the Inspector General and the SBA. The Inspector General did not like that the SBA was not actively going to be collecting on some of these loans. Now remember, for this Goodwill exception, you have to have a loan of $100,000 or less. So if you have over $100,000, I would highly recommend you call the SBA directly and see what options may be available, if any, to you. This Goodwill Exception Period are for loans for $100,000 and under. And look at God, they are giving PPP loan borrowers options as well. So this is a great thing for those of you who don't want to walk away from your loan, who do wish to pay them back, but just have not found the way to do it. Get in contact with SBA or simply go into your SBA portal. You can apply for your accommodation right online, and you can hit the tab on that website that says learn more. It will tell you all about the SBA Goodwill Exception. I will also link it here for you to take a look at. Remember to like, comment, and share this video. And most of all, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated, especially about the SBA. Go make the money, but don't let the money make you. I'll see you soon.